Today, we're going to talk about Aquacel Ag Advantage antimicrobial dressings. What they are, what they do, and how to use them as part of a wound care routine. Aquacel Ag Advantage is an advanced wound dressing that combines hydrofiber technology with ionic silver. It's designed to absorb wound fluid while helping to reduce bacteria, creating an optimal environment for healing. So, what does it do? Aquacel Ag Advantage works by absorbing exudate and forming a soft gel that conforms closely to the wound bed. This helps maintain a moist environment, which is important for the healing process. At the same time, the ionic silver within the dressing provides broad-spectrum antimicrobial protection, helping to manage bioburden and reduce the risk of infection. Another key benefit is its ability to lock in fluid and harmful components, which helps minimize leakage and protect the surrounding skin from irritation and breakdown. Because of these properties, Aquacel Ag Advantage is commonly used for a variety of wounds, including chronic wounds, surgical wounds, pressure injuries, diabetic ulcers, and burns. Now let's talk about how to use it. Start by cleaning the wound according to clinical guidance, and ensure the surrounding skin is clean and dry. Select a dressing size that will cover the wound bed and extend slightly onto the surrounding skin. Place the dressing directly onto the wound, ensuring full contact with the surface. As the dressing absorbs fluid, it will naturally form a gel, helping it stay in place and conform to the wound. Depending on the level of exudate, a secondary dressing may be needed to secure it. Change the dressing as directed, based on the amount of drainage and condition of the wound. In summary, Aquacel Ag Advantage antimicrobial dressings are a highly effective solution for managing wound exudate, reducing bacteria, and supporting a moist healing environment. Their advanced design helps protect both the wound and surrounding skin, providing added confidence and support throughout the healing process. If you enjoyed what you watched today, please give us a like. And if you want to watch more, please make sure to subscribe to Medical Monks.